Morning. Welcome back to Jill Valencia, the Yawning Beauty Guide. This morning we're doing Wake Up to Makeup with the Yawning Beauty Guide in 15 minutes or less. So I'm challenged, so let's get started. All right, I'm going to use my primer spray. This will help to keep my makeup from settling. I do a T and an X. And then I'm going to use my Concealer Zero as a primer for my eyelids. And I'm going to go over and under. So over the something and through the woods to grandmother's house we go. We're heading to my mama's house today. I'm going to be recording bread, getting our car fixed, having all sorts of fun today. This is LimeLife by Alcone makeup. I'm going to go into my creases here, but I don't want to go deep in the creases. The setting spray will help to keep this from settling. Our makeup is wax-based, so therefore your makeup is going to warm up to your skin and it's going to set on top of your skin. I'm using Rise Up as my base shadow. Very pretty color, especially for fair-colored skin. It has a very natural look with that, as you can well see. And I like to just go across, swoop across each time, and then I can just do this with the eyes. Okay, and then I'm going to be using Blush Hour as my second eyeshadow color. It matches my blouse. It's going to go on. It's going to be a very pretty color on this one right here. And just keep going back and forth, and that's whenever you get that smooth blend. I normally do this with the pointed blender brush, but I picked up my wrong brush. So back to the pointed blender brush. And see how I can just get in there with that. And I'm going to go in with a little bit of a deeper color in my creases. I'm going to pick up a color you would be surprised with. I'm going to pick up a little bit of, this is called Tainted Love. And I'm going to do that with the angled brush because I want to get specifically into the crease. And you see it blends well with this. And what did it do? It popped the blue of my eyes. Wake up to makeup with the Yawning Beauty Guide. Okay, and then I'm going to clean this up a little bit right here. This is actually a foundation brush, and I like to use it for my concealer because it gives me a wider swath whenever I do my concealer. I'm also going to do a little bit of shadow underneath the eyes. And I apparently did not pick up that brush, so let's just go ahead and use this one then. Use that same color coming underneath. I don't want it to be heavy. Almost like it's a liner. And you can see the way that that changes the format, really. It changes how that's going to look. Okay, so following that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start with my foundation. Okay, so I'm going to get myself a good amount on here. If I was using my blender fold, it would be like a 3/4 turn. It would give me plenty. I'm loving using the fan brush because I can come right like that. You don't have to put a lot of makeup on, a lot of foundation on. Like I said, it's going to warm up to your skin and blend. And because it warms up to your skin, it spreads easier. But also, this is wax-based foundation, so That's why it has to warm up to your skin. But not only that, it's going to set on top of your skin and not seep into your pores. So therefore, you're going to have your makeup on 4 hours later. You're still going to look like you have on a fresh face of makeup. 8 hours later, you may not look fresh. You may be tired. You know, your day may have wrought you some things you didn't expect, but your makeup's still going to be going strong. Okay, so then following that, we're going to do a little bit of bronzer on for a contour. Obviously, I should not have put it away. Just a little bit of bronzer right here to contour. This bronzer comes in this month's Amaze box. This bronzer by itself is $24. The Amaze box is $42. You're getting $76 of product in the Amaze box for just $42. All full-size items, and then 2 samples, skin care samples. You're using the 3-finger method here. Okay. And then I'm going to use my brow pencil. I'm sorry, not my brow pencil. My brow brush. Brow tamer brush is what this is called. And I'm using brownie points, which is going to seem really dark, but works great for my eyes. This is another shadow color. There we have different ways to do the brows. This is one of them, because I'm going 15 minutes or less. And I'm already halfway into that, so we gotta get this moving. And then I'm just gonna soften all that up. Just clean it. Don't worry, I'm not gonna look like Frida. I do need a little thickness right here. And if I make mistakes, you guys, just know that we are all the same. Mistakes will be made. And I don't have my glasses on, so that makes it even harder for me with making mistakes. Okay, so I'm gonna use my trusted, I should have pulled this out as well. My favorite little eyeliner gel pencil is hiding from me. Here we go. This is the dual-ended. It's work hard, play hard. I love this one. It's my very favorite one. One is bronze, one is brown. Don't pull too hard. When you do that, and then you can take that same brow brush, I'm sorry. Soften it if you want to, move it around. That's the beauty about the brow gels. I mean, the eyeliner gels is that they don't go on wet, but they're not completely dry, so you can move them around. You've got like 12, 15 seconds to move them around. I have found that I can still move them around a little further after that without any sort of issues. Okay, I'm gonna do my, not doing my mascara just yet. And I'm not doing blush just yet either. So I'm gonna do my lips with the rose. No, is this rose or this berry berry? I forgot to pull that one out too. See, this is the thing, you're gonna do it so many minutes or less, and you wanna have everything ready to go. Here's your rose. This is my favorite right now, my rose lip liner. It's my current favorite. Stay on those inside corners. thicken that up just a little bit. And then I'm going to use birthday cake. Birthday cake may also be in the Amaze box. Birthday cake is in the Amaze box. It is the birthday box. And you can see why I like that so well. But here's the deal that I like to do. Bring that up to my cheeks. And now my cheeks match my lips. And I can use my diffuser brush, blend it in, and there I've got my blush. And my lips match. And then I generally will grab these items and I will carry them with me because your lips will need to be touched up through the day. Okay, so now let's do the finishing spray. This is going to help your makeup to stay on for up to 16 hours. The only thing you have to do is a T and an X. Because of masks, you may want to do an extra right there along that. Brush the lashes. And you can see why I wait to let this be done last. The mascara, because it gives a chance for all of the spray to dry. And I'm using the Perfect mascara. And I bent the wand on it, and then I'm gonna get in there and I'm just gonna blink. And then you pull that through nicely. Look at that. Look at the difference in those two with that growth. Okay, gotta finish this up. Got 3 minutes to go. We're gonna be done. 15 minutes or less. Coat number 2. Okay, oops. Let's get this off because I always manage to get whatever's on. I'm an entertainment show, you guys, so even when I don't want to be. All right, so the last thing we're gonna do, because this is also in the Amaze box, is we're gonna put on some champagne. We're gonna wear some champagne. Who celebrated with champagne after the Super Bowl? We're gonna put on some champagne Perfect Glow Drop and just give myself a little highlight of a shine. Right under the eyes. We're gonna have more fun with this. This is $36 by itself. $32, I apologize, by itself. I'm gonna put a little bit right here. Just give myself a little bit more of a glow. There we go. And last but not least, there you go. And then I'm just going to rub it on my hands. So that's Wake Up to Makeup in 15 minutes or less. That you can do this, get yourself going, get yourself ready, and be ready for your day to begin. And then if you want to go on and you want to touch something else up, because the last thing I usually like to do that I had forgotten is put a smidge of highlighting right there. Oh, I also did not do my powder. Let's do a little bit of powder very quickly. And our makeup will be set. boom, and we're ready to go. Have a most beautiful day, my friends. Bye-bye.